So how to check your car tax status online. So to go ahead and check your car tax, it's very simple. So first things first, you want to head over to the government website and come to this web page here where it says check if a vehicle is taxed. But I'll also leave a link below in the description. So from this page, you'll be able to check if a vehicle in the UK is taxed, and you'll also be able to see if it has been registered off-road. So from here, if you go ahead and click Start Now, it will then open you up to this page here, and you simply just want to go ahead and input the registration of the vehicle that you want to check. Then once you've entered the registration, click Continue. And then from here, it opens you up to this web page here, which will just ask you to confirm if this is the correct vehicle. So the registration I've entered is for a Mercedes-Benz in black. So this is the correct car, so I'm going to say yes, and then click Continue. And then finally, it opens you up to this page here, which will tell you if the vehicle is taxed. So as you can see right now, the vehicle we searched up, it's currently taxed until July 2027. And as a side note, you can also see on this page here when it's due for an MOT. So in our example, we've got till the 11th of August 2027. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.